Now, when Sudan, the last male northern white rhino, died in March, hopes for a revival of the subspecies were crushed. But as VOA's Sadie Witkowski explains, the magnificent creatures might not go the way of the dodo.
Although there are only 2 northern white rhinos left alive in the world, their kind might be on the brink of a comeback with the help of science. In a recently published study in Nature Communications, the scientists used frozen sperm from 3 deceased northern white rhinos to artificially fertilize southern white rhino eggs outside the womb. They allowed the eggs to grow until they had reached the blastocyst stage. At this point, they froze the developing eggs to preserve until a suitable surrogate mother could be found.
So the 2 females sleeping down are the 2 northern female white rhinos left on the planet. It's a mother and a daughter, and the one facing us is the southern white rhino. The one which is awake is the southern white rhino, of which we might use as a surrogate mother.
While the 2 types of white rhinos may look similar, the northern and southern subspecies differ in several physical aspects. For example, the northern white rhino has hairier ears, and the larger southern white rhino has grooves between its ribs.
So we hope that within 3 years we will have been able to create the first northern white rhino baby, so we can let it live with the 2 remaining northern white rhinoceros females in Kenya.
Thankfully, the rhinos are still genetically close enough that scientists can use southern white rhino eggs to create hybrid animals. The last 2 northern white rhinos are no longer fertile, so scientists could not create a pure northern white rhino embryo. In the future, researchers hope to create artificial northern white rhino eggs from saved reproductive cells to help ensure genetic diversity.
Only 2 infertile females are still living on our planet, but with this technology approach, we are capable to create a genetic viable population in the next decade.
With the help of southern white rhinos, the most abundant rhino in the world, perhaps scientists can preserve these massive mammals. Sadie Witkowski,